Hi, boys and girls. For today's problem set, the directions say for numbers 1, 2, and 3 to count on to add. So make sure you're paying attention to the picture and you're going to count on to add to find the total. And then you're going to write the answer on the line. There are blank flowers all together. Number 2 says, there are blank oranges in all. So why don't you pause the video to figure out how many oranges there are in all and hit play when you're ready to move on. Number 3 says, there is a total of blank crayons. Now make sure you're paying attention to each number sentence so that you're writing the numbers in the correct boxes. Hit pause so you can finish number 3 and hit play when you're ready. All right, the back of the problem set says, use your 5 group cards to count on to add. Try to use as few dot cards as you can. Now we think you're pretty smart. You probably won't need 5 group cards, but when you're trying to find the answer here, remember to count on to add. Fill in your numbers in the boxes. And number 5, they want you to do the same thing. They want you to just count on to add to find the total for each